Hello students, this is the 29th part of number theory. Today also I am going to explain miscellaneous problems and their solutions. So just I will explain some objective problems from number theory, that too from our material. Okay, this is our next problem. The sum of three prime numbers is 100. Sum of three prime numbers. Let the required prime numbers be A, comma, B and C. First of all, I want to read the question. The sum of the three prime numbers is 100. If one of them exceeds other by 36, then find one of the number. Okay. So students, interesting problem is, what I assumed A, comma, B, comma, C are required prime number, then A plus B plus C equal to 100. Listen students, except 2, remaining all prime numbers are odd. Except 2, remaining all prime numbers are odd. For example, A plus B plus C is 100. This is even number. Summation should be even number. Assume that no one is 2 nana. Actually, prime numbers are all odd except 2. Assume that these all are odd numbers. Odd plus odd only. Odd plus odd, again odd. Here even given. What means that any one of the ABC must shoot a prime number 2. That is the logic. Okay. Okay. Now let it be LHS must even. So one of A or B or C must 2. Only even prime is 2. Let C equal to 2. Then what happened to the equation 1? A plus B plus 2 equals 100. A plus B equal to 98. Okay, that is one thing. Next, what is given? One number exceeds other by 36. Already we decided C, what a relation is between A and B only. Okay, one number exceeds other number by 36 means let A equal to 36 plus B. Take second equation. So instead of A, what I can write 36 plus B, another B equal to 98. Or 2B equal to 98 minus 36. 8 minus 6, 2. This is 62. Then B equal to 31, which is a prime number. Means B equal to 31, one is the required value. Now I got B and C. Now I want to find A value. I am using equation 2 only again. So instead of B I can write 31. A plus 31. Sorry. A plus 31 is equal to 98. 98 minus 31, 767. A equal to 67, which is a prime number. Means the required primes are 2, 31 and 61. But this is single answer type question. So which of the one of the number means I can't take this as the answer. I can't take this. I can't take this. I can take this as the answer for the problem. Next question students here. The question is multi-correct type, more than one answer type question. That to greatest integer function involved. Greatest function have greatest importance in number. Okay, observe students here. First problem, step x plus x equal to 4 by 3 times of step x. Then what are the possible x values Yeah, here multi-type answer question, Anna. You should take care of that. So what I am doing, I am multiplying 3 on that side. Yeah, plus x is equal to 4 times of step x. Or 3 times of step x plus 3x equal to 4 times of step x. Or 3 times of x equal to, yeah, what is step x? Observe students, RHS an integer. RHS is an integer. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? LHS must should integer. Must an integer. What is the meaning of that? That is 3x equal to integer. This is the objective type question. 3x integer means x 3x is integer means x should be integer now. So what means that I can't take x as 2 ways, I can't take x is equal to 2 ways, I can't take x is equal to 5 ways, I can take x equal to 0 only. Therefore x equal to 0. Or you can verify it. Another way also you can solve the problem, just substitutions only. Put step x equal 2.10 and verify. Take x equals 1 by 3 and verify. So we get the result. Finally, we will get x equal to 0 only. Okay. Next problem, which of the following is are true? Step 0.5 0 correct only. Yeah, step 1 plus 1 by 2 means 1.5 1 only correct only. Minus 0 minus 9 point something minus 10, that's why this is wrong. So 15 by 2 7 point something correct. So what I can say 1, 2, 4 are correct answers for the problem number 2. Yeah, super question. Important model, lengthy question and here this one. Okay, no logic, nothing, but you need to solve it. The sum of the factors of n, 4n, this I won't be. Sum of the factors won't be equal to n. So our answer may be in 1, 2, 3. So I want to find sum of the factors of n. So I will write n into prime factorization. I want to write n as a product of prime factors. Everyone knows how to write it. 3, 0, 2, 4 into 10, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9 divided by 9, 9 3s are 27, 3, 9 3s are 27, 5, 9 6s are into 10, so 9 into 3 into 112 into 10, 9 into 3 into 4 into 4, 2s are 8, 28s are into 10, so 3 square, afterwards I will write 4 into 7 4s are that one, 4 into 7 into 5 into 2. Now what I can write, this one is nothing but here 1 2, here 3 4 5, 2 4 5 into here 1 3, here 2, total 3 3 cube 5 into 7. This is the prime factorization of the given number. Now I want to find the factors. So 5 square, 3 cube, 6. These two are same. So summation never equal to itself. That's why 3 and 4 are not right options. Maybe our answers 1 and 2 we need to cut. Sum of the factors I want, but I have the formula. Sum of the factors of n equal to a power p into b power q into so on. What is the formula? Sigma n is equal to a power p plus 1 minus 1 by a minus 1 into b power q plus 1 minus 1 by b minus 1, so on. This is the formula. So that's why directly I want to add sigma 30240, 30240 is equal to, what I can write, 2 power 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 power 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 5 power 2 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into 7 power 2 minus 1 by 7 minus 1. Now we want to simplify this. What will be the result? Okay, now here only I will simplify, Nana. Okay. Directly I want to write sigma of 30240 equal 2 power 64 minus 63 by 1 to 81 minus 80 by 2. 5 square means 25 minus 24 by 4. 7 square 49, 48 by 6. This should be simplified. Okay, students, listen. So what I should do now? Yeah, 6 ones are 6 8s are 4 2 8 cancel. So this is the summation. I don't want to write answer. I want to write the answer in terms of prime factors. 9 7s are. This is 8 10s are. 8 3s are. So students, listen. Here 2 3s, 6 here 1 2 4 7 into 3 square 3 cube. Okay. So what is that? 1 5 here, 5 into 7. This is the sum of the factors of, yeah. Now I want the answer. Now I can say 2 is correct answer for that. 2 power 7, 3 cube, 5, 7. Okay. But question is multi-type, no? Now I want to translate with option 1 also. What is 4n I will find? 4n. 4n means 2 square into n means what? 2 power 5 into 3 power 3 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. That is 2 power 7 into 3 cube into, yeah, 5 power 1 into 7 power, which is same as this, which is same as 30240. What means that 1 also correct answer. 1 and 2 are the answers for the problem. Yeah, I hope you people understood this. Next question, next. A comma, B comma, C comma, D are first 4 two-digit composite number greater than 10. Oh, greater than 10, that too composite. Yeah, I can take A greater than 10 is 12 onwards. A is 12. 13 prime I can't take. B equals C equal to 16. Yeah, greater than 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 after 15. 15 I can take. 15 are the prime number only, not prime number, composite number only. D equal to 16. Okay. Okay. Now A plus B plus C plus D plus is a perfect square. Then the value of A, you need to add all these. 11, 15, 17. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 57. So what I can say, Nana, observe all of you. A plus B plus C plus D plus E is a perfect square. Means 57 plus E is a perfect square. Perfect square from x square. Such a way that you want to find E value. So this is also multi-type answer question, and I have to take care of that. Yeah, if x equal E equal 24, if E equal to 24, then 57 plus 24, 81, which is a perfect square, means this is a E is 24 is one of the answer for the problem. One is one of the answer for the problem. If E is taken as 5, then 57 plus 5, that is 62, which is not a perfect square. We can say that our answer is not option 2. Okay. Now, yeah, if E is taken as -8, then 57 minus 8 equal to 9, 49, which is perfect square, means our answer is 3 also. E taken as 7, then 57 plus 7, 64, which is a perfect square. So option 4 also correct. So what I can say, 1, 3, 4 are the answers for the problem. I hope people understood. Next question. A comma, B comma, C comma, D are first 4 odd prime numbers. First 4 odd prime, that too first. So means what is that? A equal to 3, B equal to 5, C equal to 7, D equal to 11. Obviously. 3 after 5, 5 after 7, 7 after. These are the first 4 odd prime numbers. So which of the following is true? So first of all, I want to find A plus B plus C, that is 3 plus 5 plus 7, yeah, that is 12, 15. What is saying that A plus B plus C is not a composite number, it is a composite number. That's why what I can say, option 1 is not correct. Okay. Next, B plus C plus D. B plus C plus D, value should find 5 plus 7 plus 11, 7, 18, 23, which is a prime number actually. Yeah, what I can say, option 1 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Sorry. Next, multi-type, no, next one. A, B, C. A into B into C, 3 into 5 into 7, odd into odd only, no problem. What I can say, option 3 also correct. Okay, now fourth option I want to take, A plus B plus C plus D is not even composite. So odd plus odd even, total even number only you will get, even composite number you will get. That's what I can say, option 4 also not correct, because it is not an even composite, it should be even composite number. That's why what I can say, Nana, my answers are option 2 and 3. Next question, next 2 questions are given here, multi-type questions are given. The remainder when 8 power 2 plus 2 power 8 divided by 5. So I will do separately, Nana. What is asking? 1 minute. I will use another color for that. 8 power 2 plus 2 power 8 congruent to x modulo 5. What is x? That is the question. Okay. So separately I will find, Nana, what is the remainder when this number divided by 5 separately. What is the remainder when this number divided separately? After that I will add. Okay, please. Yeah. 8 congruent to something modulo 5. To divide, 8 ones are 8, remainder 3, 38, 8 sevens are 35, 3 remainder, 8 sevens are 3 remainder. I can say 3 is congruent to 5 modulo. Okay. After that, 8 power 2 congruent to 3 power 2 modulo 5. Here I can't say that 3 power 2 is the remainder when this number is divided by 5, because 3 power 2 is greater than 5 only. So separately I will find 3 2 congruent to some y modulo 5. Such y I want. After that I can say that y is the remainder when 8 power 2 divided by 5. So do one thing, students. Try to find a relation between 3 and 5. Means that I try to identify a smaller exponent of 3, so that number divided by 5 leaves either remainder 1 or minus 1. I can say 3 square congruent to minus 1 modulo 5, obviously. So now what I want, triple 1, raising the power triple 1, what I can say, minus 1 modulo triple 1 mod 5. What is the meaning of 3 power 2 congruent to minus 1 modulo 5? What is the meaning of that? The number divided by 5, leaving remainder minus 1 means what is the actual remainder? Addition of these two only, that is 4 the actual remainder. 4 is the actual remainder, that I will write. Okay. So 3 power 2 to 2, yeah, one more 2, okay, is congruent to 4 modulo 5. Or finally what I can write, Nana? There is that 8. 8, 8, 8 power 2 to 2 congruent to 4 modulo 5. This is relation number 1. Next, what do you want? 2 to 2 you want. That I will take that. 2, 2, 2 congruent to something modulo 5. Obviously 2 modulo 5 only, no? So 2 to 2 power, what is that? 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 8 congruent to 2 power 8, 8, 8 modulo 5. No, just you want find 2 power 2 power 8, 8, 8 congruent to some z modulo 5. The z value of it. Try to find relation of 2 and 5. 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4. Yeah, which is better. 2 square is better. 2 square is better. I will write. 2 square congruent to minus 1 modulo 5. Obviously. So raising to the power 444. What will get? I will write here. 2 square power raising power 4 congruent to minus 1 power 444 modulo 5. So what I can say, students, here 2 power 8, 8, 8 congruent to 1 modulo 5. Okay. So now what I can say this directly what I can say 2 congruent to power 8, 8 congruent to 1 modulo 5. This is the number 2. 1 plus 2 should add. What happens? 8, 8, 8 power 2 plus 2 power 8, 8, 8 congruent to 4 plus 1 modulo 5. Because here you got 4 no remainder. Here 4 remainder. Here what happened? 1 remainder addition. So what I can say 8, 8, 8 power 2 plus 2 power 8, 8, 8 congruent to 5 modulo 5 0 modulo 5. What means that the required remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. I will write that. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Now I want to write identify the answers for that. Okay, students, listen. 0, correct. Neither prime nor composite. 0 is neither prime nor composite. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 0 can't. The definition of prime only greater than 1. A number greater than 1 is said to be prime or composite. No? That's why I can't take option C. And neither positive nor negative I can take this. 0 is an integer only. Neither positive nor negative. So my answer is 1 and 4. Yeah, we want to find unit digit and 10th digit of this. Unit and 10, that is interesting thing. So 1 factorial, that is not right color for me. 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, 5 factorial 120, 6 factorial 720, yeah, next is 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial onwards, 2 zeros will appear at the end. So no need to write remaining no need to write directly, you need to add. Yeah, 720 after with 7, 720 with 7, 0, 14, yeah, something, 40 something. I don't want to write what is something, 40 something. After 40 with 8 nana, 0, 32, what something 20. 9 factorial with 9, 0, 18, 80, something 80. If 0 means 0, 0. After that, what happens? After 10 factorial, that number end with at least 2 zeros. 11 end with 2 zeros. 12 factorial end with 2, like that. So we need to add all these. 10, 13. I want to use another color for that. 13, 1, 10, 11, 11, 15, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. What I can say, 1, 3. Yeah, in unit digit, unit digit is 3, 10th digit is 1. Now I can say that 10th digit of S is 1 and unit digit is 3. I can go with option 1 and 2. Yeah, next matrix matching, students. Next, matrix matching. Step 4 plus step of minus 4. Obviously, this is 4, this is minus 4, 0. So, what I can say, R, this should be paired with R. Important thing, students, what is this greatest integer function? What is this? No, wait. What is this least integer function? LIF. Down, no brackets, no, LIF. This is called LIF, least integer function. GIF, greatest integer function. I will tell you, students, how we will get that. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. What the greatest integer of this number is 2. What the least integer of that means? You want to identify all the integers greater than that real number. Among the least is called least integer function or least integer of the real number. For example, x is taken here. Step x means 2. Least integer of that real number means should say 3. That I am saying here. Step, 2.3 equal to 2 only, or like this symbol. This is least integer function. So 2.3 should say as 3 nano. Should say as 3. So that is the definition of least integer function. LIF, least integer function. Okay. When greatest integer function equal to least integer function. When greatest integer function equal to least integer function means when x is an integer only. X is an integer, that then it happens. You see here, 2.3 taken, no? This is 2, this is 3. These two are not same. When they are same means what you are taking, that is should be integer. That's what I can say. What I can say here, step x plus least integer function x, equal, no? They are equal. What means that x must an integer. Implies x must an integer. So what happened? For P is satisfied, for Q is satisfied, for R also is satisfied. For that I can write P, Q, R. Name only matrix matching, not matching, matrix matching. No? So what I can say my answer? P, Q, R. This is the answer for the problem B. Okay. Next question, step 3.5 3 only, plus 1.5 normal bracket, plus step x equal to step 15.5 15. Okay, step x equal to 15 minus 4.25. So 15 0 0 4.25, 5 here, 9 here, 7 here, 10 point, step x equal to 10.75. So no value of x satisfies this because step means an integer. LHS an integer, RS is not integer. This is not right. So there is no such x. Means that problem is wrong. So I will change the question. Students, listen. Okay, I will write a step. Yes, step. I will write step. If you write step, what happen here? 1 will get 3 plus 1, 4, 11 will get. 11 get. Step x equal 11 means what, Nana? X should be closed 11 to 12. Here also no options. Again, I will change option also. So I'll take 11.5 also won't get none. That's why what I should do, this is taken as some 11. Now I can say that answer for this option S.